welcome to Miley Makes. I'll be teaching you how to make your first piece of clothing for stuffed animal. We'll be using a medium, and I'll tell you the things that you'll need. First things first, ruler, scissors, stuffed animal. Today we are here with Jaden. And a whole big bag of felt. Like a ton of felt. So you'll need some felt too. This item is optional and it's a pen. First you take your ruler and I'll show you the sizes. Up to 5 inches. It's a small. 7 is a medium. 9 is a large, 12 is an extra large. So now you're going to get a piece of felt, any color you like. So the color I'm using is dark red, or I like to call it blood red. So now, depending on your size of animal, you take it, starting at 1, take your ruler, measure it. See, Jaden is a medium, you see, 5. Yeah, that's the 5 right there. So, after you measure your animal, you take your piece of felt, take your scissors, and mark what size your animal is from, like so. I'll show you what it looks like. So from right here, after you're done measuring, so you see, I'm measuring it. Overlap it with your ruler like this, and you take your pen, or if you don't want to use your pen, you can just start cutting, but I'm using a pen, so I take my pen and draw where the 5 is and make a little cut. So I made my little cut. So now you take the ruler again and measure your animal from width. So over here at 4, it would be a small width. Right here is a medium width. But over here is like a large width. And over here's the extra largers. Just cut 10, 11, and 12 out. We only go up to 9 inches for width. So you take your ruler and your animal. You go across it like this. So Jaden is a medium width. So you can see he goes right up to the 4, so it's medium width. And from your little cutlet, you take your scissors and start cutting after you overlap. And then you take your pen and you draw right there. And then you only go up to the number that your animal's width is at. If you go farther, it will not turn out like you want it to be. So you start cutting and keep your ruler there, at least try. So this is the piece I am using with Jaden. And then you want to flip it at least so it looks like it's horizontal. And after that, you cut out holes, like armholes, so you can fit in. It matters what you want to do. I usually do 2 armholes. So you take and then measure it again. Wait, this time off of centimeters. His armholes are about 2 centimeters, so you put your ruler down and you start cutting. And after you pre-cut your armhole, as long as you want, as long as it looks like you cut it out from there, like this. So I got my scissors, going like this, cut it back from there. Like that. And there you go. Got an armhole. So after you have your armholes cut out, you just test it out on your animal. So this is what mine would look like. Doesn't he look cute in his little vest? See? It's not completely an outfit, but it is like a vest thing. If you want to oversize it, it can become like a t-shirt. And if you have a needle and thread, all you have to do is sew it up to make it like a shirt. But then it would be very hard to take it off, so I don't recommend that yet. So here is your finished outfit. You look so cute. Also, here's something you can do if it's a male. So you look in the back, there's a collar right there. So I prefer the collar. It looks so cute. Alright, Jaden. Aww, he looks so cute. And yeah, that is how you make your first piece. I'll show you something you can also do with the females. With the females, you can make the collar and like you can lay it down to make it look nice like that. And that's how you make your first piece of clothes. Bye.